Yeah man, glory be to the Most High. You can slide on it down to the ground. You know what I mean? So, part 4, give Mother Jama. Remember, for the first time you watch the channel, subscribe, like and share. We are up on the who want to get 100k. You know what I mean? So subscribe, encourage you to subscribe. You can grow the channel. We have some improvement that go and work on in the meantime. But for now, go and watch a movie. Tell me what you think.
Another baby mother Jama. Just 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 another baby mother. Just another baby mother Jama. And if you don't put a line there, your baby mother's gonna do what you wanna. Just another baby mother Jama. Just another baby mother Jama. Just another baby mother Jama. And if you don't put a line right there, baby mother's gonna do what them wanna. Worse when them they higher than them new man now, give them right banana. Just another baby mother Jama. Just another baby mother Jama. Look where I gone, yeah. Look where I gone, yeah. Japa sleep and wake up with my baby mother in a me pin, mama. Said she want keep me warm, my new girl was somewhere doing her own business. And my baby mother find a key. I know she want me up in her business.
Yeah, boss, me get a miss call from you, you know. Oh, me not coming. Me can't make it. Me I tell you, me on a mission and now. Me have to go a one place with me woman for 1 week. Take a vacation. Me tell you from yesterday, you know, nobody now listen when me talk, you know. Tell you me need to take a vacation because my woman stress out and her pressure gone up. Cause some days make some days work, man. Look how long me I work, man. Alright. But next week I come back on the work, man. That's one thing to do. Yeah, hurry up now, man. Ready now. What go on, girl? How are you there today? I got this a big old bag over your back. Eh?
My mother tell me come across in the bag.
Why not? What we say now? Where mother there?
My mother one.
You know that's all?
No. He come backyard.
Oh, see my car, man. See my car. Hello, turn back. Turn back right now. Yeah, what? Turn back right now. You know say now. Listen me keenly. I and I have to go somewhere today, right? So through I and I go somewhere today. You can't leave. You can't leave baby, so. You can't leave baby today. Come back, man, right? Because we are going on Airbnb for a week. It's just out. It's just some woman from them time there right now. She's just out. So me and I take a week. We are take a week, right? And after the week there now, you see what I go on. Come back right now. And it's a big old bag you put on the picnic back. You almost train the picnic. What do you want the picnic have? School classes. It's too heavy. Next time I get a big bag, you take it and tell him to carry it. What you gonna do? Tell she to carry it. You know, disrespect her, you know. But it's a moment you carry the bag here, it's too heavy. Come. Yeah, man. Your mother, come up, come. You see, after I take the vacation, I go carry you on a vacation, yeah? But your mother stress out your stepmother. So really and truly, we have to take a vacation.
No, I'm not come.
You can't come, man, because I had a hot air. Come. Your mom, you come here.
You ever want me to get massage? Alright, take off. So what are your plans for today?
On vacation, you know you can't do much. We will go walk when we go on the street. Walk in our community. You move too fast, man. Take your time. You tired?
No. You know, so you have to go massage your back.
We know you go so that.
Like that?
We know you have magical touch in your hand.
And you tell me. What are we doing?
Your turn now. What kind of massage you want now?
What kind of massage you want to give me?
Anyone that wants, we give a good massage last night already. Every night then give a good massage. So
You know why you're there for massage? I get it to me.
Get tense up, man. I don't know about you can go to school feet. That's where you go?
Oh my God, me.
No, we think I say you go. Hello.
No man, that's too hard. Never done.
No. That's where you go. To
Take
what?
time. Just, yeah.
That's alright?
It kind of rough, but...
I know say you like rough things now. That's the great thing that we come now, you stay here. If you never rough in here, you got a long time, you know.
Yeah,
That's all?
yeah, this is last time.
You see, you go so one night time too. You feel good.
No man.
Now you good?
No. Too rough.
I'm going to take some class tonight. Anyway, go walk, go take a walk. Tell the house here now. Look on vacation, but still I must know the place, man. Like, wait time happen now wear no shirt though.
Why you just have for the road, see me?
See you where someone. Through Jamaica. Come through.
Alright, I'm gonna come up the straight up a bit. Where are we going?
Alright.
Alright, man.
See for your face look more beauteous, yes. Beautiful. Now that's trying to sound new word, right? Work. I don't know if that word, but you know. It does look beautiful though. I don't know, they like opposite you really though. When you don't say it, you just like it's a Airbnb like a mini vacation. Really.
We need to take vacation more often.
Cause we didn't show the last night. You know that we could have done like 4 hours. We think as we show down some work hard. When we come in at night time, we give 1 hour and a half. The others just say I want to go 2 hours. I say, oh, calm down. But yes, you know, like I'm going to sit in our work tomorrow. We get the full 4 hours last night.
But like, man, a long time, we don't go long distance. We don't want to die for puppy or pop down.
No man, but I know so many times you have to leave some of the hours them for work. Because if I don't work, you know, you go and you love it, you want money.
But big and serious, I feel relaxed. You realize my hardly use my phone? Right? I have a baby mother for antagonize me up here. No way. My God, she don't know which power. I hope you not tell her which power they
Oh man, You have to get on some things to give baby, but I'm done.
And then next year, I'm going to make she trail you.
No man, she can't trail me. May I tell her? She will occupy you now. So, by the time we jump past one thing, we circle some place you can't follow me. You want to sleep now?
Yeah, I'm tired.
Anyway, time I get that, some more, more buy something. Do you want to have something to drink? Just like a brother. So, where's it now? You want something?
Yeah, I'm going to drink.
Chop it on different shoes.
I'm going to drink water.
Water?
Yes.
Alright. Well, you're being too bad though. It's a pity after a couple of minutes I go back home. Right?
I'm like it look cool out, you know. Far for the jam.
Okay.
Right?
Alright, so. You feel like you're just a weed, so. Huh?
I don't know if I
Not a good sign, no?
I let them be pure.
I think you work too much.
I mean, I flew me and come down with it. I don't know.
Alright, we don't have a couple of days now, so. Anyway, I'll get some water and some of your drink, right? But what do you want, right?
Yeah, Mom, where is the bathroom still? So.
Anyway, ice cream flour. Yeah?
Yeah, if you're come to me, you're in your bathroom, yeah?
You're let's have for a night and come back, so go take the time.
Alright.
Alright. Because I shot at the forest.
I call the girl because the boy I feel like him can't take me for idiot. Girl, it takes so long for answer the phone. Oh, you don't know what go down. Remember the little dirty football me I tell you about what day? You would imagine what happened. Him no make him be my mother come to my party and I want to come lick me in my face. What she know about? Girl, come on. You know I'm not run them type of joke there. Yes, the same boy. I should take your warning because after all, you're always right. The girl come go with that bag of things, but how am I going to leave my man this and that way? And you look me now, my eyes put on because they would have lied down flat. Girl, all I do is just stand up and watch the girl come here and say, no sir, what this a girl here about? What she know about me?
I make you come over there.
Now go over there and just dog and back.
I don't know, back. Yeah.
No, the man come round. Understand? Every year when you come, you never tell us say dogs don't really like it. It's you know, and they might do what you know. Stay here so don't move there, but look at them.
So you don't have no woman.
No, tapping eyes, you're in farmer. You don't have no woman over there, you're auntie me gonna look at.
Anytime I pop them boy, them not gonna like it. You not, what you mean what me I go to girl and know I'm capable of already. So nobody come with it. Anytime I see him, me I go put him in a place because I'm too bright. Anyways, what happened? Girl, me there. Girl, me I go with a show, so me will link you. Alright then, later. Call me to open. What you do here?
What am I going to look for?
What you mean you call him? How you find me?
Remember see me have LinkedIn history, remember see me have police.
You know what is this right now?
Listen, me I call you and I answer.
I'm not phone, I'm not obligated for answer you. What you mean? After you make your little dirty girl but me around just and I come one like, hello, best thing you do is leave here. Leave!
Listen, me I can't leave. No matter what me I can't leave.
No, make me have to disrespect you. What you mean? can't come here so come tell me we can't live. We stick together after we never born. Together, we are mean we can't live.
Was meant for each other.
Men for what? Only way we men for each other when I put our video on this. Tell you that.
But honestly, I don't think make sure you love her. What she do, I don't mind.
So why you never try to get those in our video or stay about?
Because you don't have money.
You don't have what? So who is that?
She just come back in that picture.
She just. So why me when you say we're meant to be? You need to leave right now, cause me I'm
listen.
Hello, listen to me talk. We have to like.
Watch out.
Me I go find a new man. Cause me no want a boy with no pick me and no baby man who like say she want. She's a warmonger or whatever. So listen, me have to leave. Cause me no want man come and say come see you.
I'm tell you this. If I come in my life, you in my life, you good. You know what I say? So now you come chat about man.
So we are about
broke up your man. That me.
No, we just say.
Yeah.
We just.
We feel. My girl, sit down.
Another get more for sit down.
Yo, say
no, touch me. You forgot some of father police? No, what you want?
Look like me care about your father.
Say look like me care about you.
I'm not busy with your father.
No. So touch me if you're not busy with my father want me. Touch me. Touch me.
Thank God to me to walk with me so father just take him back so
you sound like your baby mother now. Just illiterate and fool. So get out of my place, please, I beg you. Get out.
It's true. No, try avoid this problem.
That's all you do at this chat. Yeah. Get back. You don't want to come out with father.
Call his father.
Daddy.
Is it true? Alright, do it.
Alright, no bother. I'm just not check up on you. Alright. No, I'm still a dirty fool. Hey, that shouldn't even know I'm capable of doing, you know. It's alright. I'm not say a word. Daddy. Alright, no bother. Let's start check up on you.
Hi. Alright, so I overheard. Alright, my bad. My name is Tia.
Yeah.
Right? We're right there, so.
Yeah.
You can just step out for a minute, please.
Okay then.
Now, I'm not saying I eavesdrop. But I overheard the conversation.
Ready?
The conversation that you were having with the guy.
So, wait, I'm not trying to be disrespectful. And so you live there, so you have my conversation. Like,
I come out of the bathroom. I'm here in their body up or something.
Go on.
I plan for coming there and fight him off here and come believe in a girl power.
girl, and I'm nothing too epic. You know, say, me and the boy, and he never tell me, say, I have a baby mother. And one day, I go out the road. And she just approach me with this badness and I come talk about how she want me to leave her man. I say, what do you mean by leave your man? After the dirty boy done, so I say, I have a baby mother, and I say, I was so upset, I'm just speechless, girl. I never know what to do. So I ignore me there, so I'm not even know who the boy find me. I come go on with him bag of argument. So I have to tell him to leave. I saw him go on with
This
himself.
sounds serious. You know, something I got you one similar.
Stop lying.
Similar situation. The only difference is, the only difference, me didn't know say my man have one baby mother.
Are you still? So you want man?
And somebody want man, you know, him tell me say the two of them live, right? Me and him the movie, you know, and the girl not stop antagonize me. Everyone me there, I'm surprised how she not show up right now.
So they feel like so they have one little picnic for them. They feel like so they for come and go like a for them man.
Right now, I'm tired of the situation now, but I love the man.
You see this boy, I'm not make them take no step on me. Me tell him to leave. I'm telling him I go look at him friend man. Come and sit down with no boy, no bikini.
Well, may I have to go turn friend.
And since we are going to the same situation,
You have to go take my number. Take my number.
Wait,
Wait. It's not safe.
girl, put your number in this cause we have to go keep the link.
Alright.
And what you say your name again?
My name's Sia.
Alright, I gave you my name.
So you can story.
Alright.
So just take it easy, yeah?
Alright, man. Don't know, but anything you want me to do over here.
Alright.
Alright, later.
Yeah. So wait there now. You know, say wickedness make fear teeth not have at you do.
No, I'll check out the dentist and see if they can do something about it.
You have a tooth there too long though. I'm glad you go get rid of it now. Or try to get rid of it.
Yeah, man, a long time. My teeth are for my dead, my baby mother. Sometimes she make it well sweet. You know, so think of them something there.
Every time you attack it, bring
Sorry
up baby
about
mother.
that. Come in, you like hear that still. But some of the time I do a long time for true, I take care of it, but you know where you go. And traffic can move slow though. But I go see what them can do today. I'm not sorry if you talk about baby mother. Some of the time and deliberately it just come out of my mouth and like say me have feelings here still. You know what I mean? She's in the past, so. But you still have to remember the past so you look to the future. Alright?
Yeah man.
What?
A good man, and that you know, it's just that me not like when you attack, bring up your baby mother every time, but it's good. Me understand your reasoning still. So how far this dentist said now?
There's more than one dentist there. So I'm just go check one of them, what they say good, you know? I don't hear what they say.
Alright, so. Merci for all of them from it.
And there's something you eat, man. You know, treat this morning. I told you know, you tell me say that you feel that way, you know.
I don't think of that.
You know, we really worked late last night and we gonna get some sleep. You know. Check them out, let's call on their friend and for them to go to the hospital. Hospital, they don't go out perfect. Yeah? Let's call someone for the phone. Then, because maybe I just, I'll eat bit fast.
Hello? You can go for the doctor. I don't feel good. Alright, meet me later.
What's up?
Hmm?
Oh, yes. You take a money that job?
Yeah.
Yeah, and get one soup for when you come back. Because by the time I get up, I'm going to go back on the road. See this one. You get through. So what them said you know. What that mean, you know what I mean? Alright, so.
So you don't look so happy?
Tell man. Yay! Me happy. I'm tired. Alright, so. Alright.
Me don't like
Really,
that.
no, I have to go. I have to go call him. My rest for Sunday. Apart from that, they're sure though, they're sure.
But you just me don't play sure. The doctor, so me 6 weeks pregnant.
Alright. Yeah. Good day. They want to book one on the room them for the weekend. Yeah, 2 away. Yeah man. Yeah. Alright. That's our price. Alright, so today I will come and pay and collect the key. Alright. Alright, so we are somewhere for 1 week. The weekend, celebrate and feel good. Alright? You're being tried. Alright,
So yeah, go back to sleep now.
yeah. And then we go on the road, go buy it. Go buy the, I think every time. Go pay for the room. Or go leave it tomorrow. Alright, so we can go. Alright? Okay, babe.
B. Hello.
What going on, baby?
How are you there?
You know, so I'm gone on the road already. I did sleep, never want to wake you up.
So, you could have still wake me up, man.
You don't want to frighten the baby in your belly.
The baby not even start develop fully yet.
But anyway, we're up on the road, we get the sitting there, we get the hotel. We're going to look for a while ago and pay for you. So everything good, so we're up on the weekend, we are going. By tomorrow, we are going there.
Okay, I didn't want milk.
You want milk? Yeah, I'm going to buy a cheese too. Alright, so we'll be soon forward, we'll be up on the road.
Alright.
Alright, don't tell my boss I'm at the weekend already.
Alright then, good.
Alright.
Yeah. What?
Oh, gone.
Girl, me there. I make you look so happy, like, I don't know.
So, I'm happy. I'm happy.
Never say nothing happy, but I look extra happy.
A
A long time I don't see you do one.
True. Kind of busy up here now.
From the final say. Baby, no.
Your baby. Wait. What you mean by your baby? I been father that I say?
Yes.
So wait, you're breathing?
I'm pregnant.
What you not saying?
Girl, I don't know if I'm happy and I don't know if I'm sad.
So I'm happy.
Hmm?
I'm happy.
The situation I'm in with the terrible baby mother.
Alright.
I can't go grow, I don't know with the terrible baby mother. You understand what I say? So it's not like I'm not happy. I am happy, but I don't know. Part of me happy, part of me sad. You get me?
She's just his baby mother. Young current girlfriend / soon to be baby mother. You can't make she and her drama allow you to wonder whether you want to raise a picnic in the environment. You can't keep it away from your father. I'm a cousin, but girl, you're my friend. Don't make because I'm a cousin drama how she behave. Make her run from your relationship. You hear me I tell her?
Well, just have to do what I have to do. You understand? I just can't take it drama and the problem. I come to think of it. Then I'm going to celebrate for the weekend.
What did I saying? So, yeah. And then there's something that you want to run left?
One place at the beach.
Okay. Go and enjoy yourself, young girl.
It's a place to enjoy. I think a beach club or somewhere about there. I think a beach club is place there, but we're going for the weekend.
Go and enjoy yourself.
So I just, not even my phone, I don't want to use, I just want to enjoy myself, clear my head and all these things. No drama, nothing. But anyways, where did you come over here from?
I must have just do from the incident, you know, see from the time there. So I'm saying I come here and check. But I see me and my local stuff going on, so I can go and go call the people in, man.
Do you think my time to check in for me?
Yeah, man, so just...
I feel like every minute, every time when you show up for your cousin show up, I feel one day for set up.
Tappy man, sure. So just enjoy yourself, yeah?
I will. And I'm not tell her nothing now.
Come on, me and my things stink about it.
What hypocrite to no be.
Just another baby mother drama. Just another baby mother drama. And just another baby mother. Just another baby mother drama. And if you don't put a line there, your baby mother's gonna do what you wanna. Just another baby mother drama. Just another baby mother drama. Just another baby mother drama.
Why am I sick of a dog?
Don't you? Just a minute.
How will you see you? I'm going to use my phone for a while. I used to them find out. You got a place to do.
So I do now at this moment.
And I'll do that too. You remember the girl a couple months ago? When me and her did.
Oh, girl, you gotta fight up the shirt. Oh.
I'm tired of the girl. When I say I'm tired, you're going to stop antagonizing me. You understand what I mean? Right now, she had the past so and see me a problem. But I don't put sheep on my head still. Never use a lip for now, although I'm not born yet, but I try walk on straight line.
So she fight you when you're pregnant now?
No, sir. The other thing she knows that I'm pregnant, because I tell her, and yesterday I find out. So, I don't see her from when. But I hope I don't see her back
So you take
ever.
this a long road and you're just pregnant. You have to walk up on them so.
Around a month, John me I go buy 2 mango for him because me feel for mango.
Walk with you, come know where you drop from.
Alright. Fire! Glenn! No, can't be someone on phone and I'm not getting. I'm not getting. I put away in bed. It's not safe. I can't find a phone and I'm not getting. I come over here, I'm not see. I don't understand what really they're going. I could have what really they're going with this man. When they you Johnny would have called me and tell me say Roots. No call, no text, nothing. I go and pick me. I'm in a serious blow wow. No sir, this not serious. Babes,
Yeah.
come here. I want to talk to you.
About what now?
Everything.
Why, since you, you feel different too?
Yeah.
Come see a glow in the thing. Like, you know, I never see you shine so bright.
I feel happy.
Let me see happiness from you. Away from all of the drama. Alright, so tomorrow I'm gonna make them give you like a back rub, but go be like a woman a rub it up. Cause just see the rafting guys, them see a rub out woman from raft. We don't have shit there. Why a woman get a massage tomorrow? Relax.
Massage better.
Yeah. That's a fair story, we don't care about that. The massage already, make it stay us up. But now, it's going to be a time where it's going to be by a female. Yeah, some strong female. Because I go up the place where I want female, I show the example. Oh, when you grab the neck and it goes a 2 times, no say. She's very strong and she won't get. See that's how I feel? Alright. So, what do you want to talk about?
I want to talk to you.
I'm going to go to the side there. I really can.
I really want to say to you. I really appreciate you.
Give thanks.
Yeah. You treat me good at everything, you know. Different from the drama. We've been a going for the past months. We just stress me up, make me all left you and you know. But me I tell you, I really appreciate you.
Yeah, man.
True.
Come relax. Come just relax and talk. Come relax. How do you feel?
I feel hungry.
You might kick yet? Or you know so big yet?
I just feel like a
You have foot yet?
slide more. No.
You not on teeth yet?
We want to.
No, I'm not going to ask. Alright. Oh, boy. Why not so? Wish you could have lived at them place I feel about 2 days later, we have to chip in. I go back and walk and you go back to now. But at least you start back fresh. Now that you're going to be a mom, you can talk to your mom about it. She can give more insight on what to expect and the morning sickness. And
You never expect for me pregnant, don't you?
oh, no, really expect, you know. Because for your woman, you know, that's your job to breed. And my job is to plant the seed. And when you plant the seed and it grow, yeah, that's a job. A job love that. A job beauty that. You know what I mean? Give thanks. Anyway, I go take a dip out by the water. You know, I don't want the baby Jones, so go and chill out and watch some movie until I forward. You can't go and talk to your girl, the mummy or somebody and talk to them in the meantime.
I don't want to talk to nobody. I'm on vacation and I just want to watch something. Come morning, me I call Glenn, I'm not getting phone. Not understand. See them straight rice in your morning. Not getting phone. How would that?
Me first.
Girl, come and do an opening.
Bye-bye.
I'm stressing out.
What's this? You next time you come here, you're there stress.
I will come over for.
Come here, come from cousin.
What?
I'm there. I'm gonna look good. I'm gonna do.
Today I can't go now, I'm not getting him. I can't be for the phone, I'm not getting him. I don't know what happened. I go over there, go check the door lock or something.
Okay. You don't want to know something over the day before you spread them. Mom's pregnant, you know. And they're supposed to be out there now on the weekend, yeah. And celebrate and something. So weird.
No, that's something else. Come on, that's something.
I come back and I hope you are said.
Which hotel goes on?
Negril Beach Club. So weird. I saw when they are breathing trouble and thing.
Negril Beach Club.
Yes, I'm gonna enjoy yourself for your weekend. Because she didn't even say they not bring no phone, so probably say, yeah, I call him and I get him. Because we know that much number, but I'm fuck you know. But we're fuck.
No, but no.
Yeah, sure.
Sure.
Ah, yeah, yes, sir.
No, I don't know. Let me go there.
That's so weird. That's how when you leave pregnant, that's when you carry go spoil it. Because when she up talk, you know, a big spoilings in here, tell you know.
Big spoilings. Nah, not what they say, no. We're saying pregnant?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
You sure you approve? We're pregnant.
Glenn Ride, your baby father.
My baby father.
Come on, tell her. You know, hear me, I say,
Sure, yes.
she is pregnant. If you don't understand pregnant, she a breed.
Which part is the name?
I'm going to ask me for this much time.
No, we just ask her.
Negril Beach Club. You know Beach Club don't come in. Don't mess up in there.
Santa Lucia room, they must stay there.
No, they never say much room. We just know see a listen. That's like a beach will be you want to know.
No, sir, we don't need them this.
Make sure.
Make sure I'm going to leave again.
I hear you. So things otherwise. Make sure you don't fool and she go on with you, because I know you too much, you know, cause.
No man, nothing like that.
You sure?
For sure, man, we just there think. No, sir, no man, me done with them there sitting there.
Make sure.
For sure, cause, you know.
So things otherwise.
Things good, you know. Things alright.
Okay.
They're upon the journey.
If you're there upon every true man.
Which part of Salem there again?
Cause how that's all like a problem you want cause. So why you ask so much time which part there in there?
No man, me no want cause no problem.
Cause anyways, the one Negril Beach Club there in there. You don't know Negril Beach Club cause?
No.
Alright. It's like when I go down on the beach, man.
Yeah, like give me direction that means you just send me down there.
You know what? Forget it. But just know you know but that will cause no problem.
Alright, cause
Make sure, man.
yeah, man. Anyway, maybe I go up on the road go deal with something.
Anyways, Vinny, if you can go here now to car. I'm searching, let me tell you what.
Policeman?
Yung ba ko yung para sa amigo niya kung mawaya di naman. Yeah. Wow, galing yung mapasiwag man.
Alright, sis.
Alright, so me see you. Bother with the problem.
No, sir.
Me know you no man.
By the hook or by the crook, me they go over there. Could I fly higher or straight over there?
Just another baby mother drama. Just another baby mother drama. And just another baby mother.
Why?
No drama. You see me have to use my phone.
That's good. But your mother good though?
Yeah, my mother alright. She happier than ever, so she get competing.
You better roll a while ago, me something roll.
I just started telling you. I'm hungry. I feel like I'm gonna eat one sandwich, one tuna sandwich.
Alright, I think I'm going to go out of the phone. I'm going to go to try and see if we can get one.
Yeah.
But your mother good though?
My mother alright, man. She happier than ever. So she get competing.
You better roll a while ago?
Yeah, I'm hungry. I just like to tell you. I feel like I like one tuna sandwich.
Alright, well, them have the front, them have to get it for you and thing.
Alright, go and get it. I'm hungry. I'm not better stay long.
And do not squeeze up the baby.
No, do
Look for your left side. Look for your left side. Maybe read up on it. Look for your left side.
So what about my left side? You see, you don't see it's terrible. Go and go buy a sandwich one.
Alright.
Girl, remember a girl they come to me up at my place tonight? But we girl fight me off tonight.
Up and yeah, girl.
And they over here with my baby father. Some baby father just left the room, girl, and in the room want go. In the room want go for the girl.
Listen, you see me not really in the drama again, you know. But yes, because I'm always over here. I'm not getting a lie, I'm always over here, my baby daddy always over here. So I know a few of the room them pan black and some of them don't pan straight. So if I some over here so,
Yes.
pan a stretcher?
Yeah.
Me maybe can help you, but you know, go stay and miss it.
Girl, I chat too much.
Yeah.
What say you say?
You walk after me, I go pull the door for you and then I come. Just tell me what you're doing.
So did that with me? I want me $20,000 you bury and I give back my money.
So this one me go do can't cover that. This is a big deal now. Me can get a chopper for that now. Look on it. Look on it.
I don't find all my hard money.
Me can't help you then. Make up your mind.
You can't help me add me myself at jail.
Alright, I 20 grand more. I take 10 grand to do this and get 10 grand.
Yeah, right. Come, give me
So
money
come
now.
after me, take no money in the
I
temple.
saw be a trouble with me after.
No, sir, you're not easy, you know. Anyway, tell me the room where you want.
After you pass the administration, yeah, up there, so.
Look at the first or the second
The
one?
first one. The first one.
A long time, I think I know it, but I'm not sure. But you know more, me go up the first day, come after me because I don't want it, don't know where. Right? So just wait for me and say I'm going to go. If you work out, just come back and make it.
Me there look. Babes, I get to lay up on him. Oh yeah, breakfast. Oh yeah. What are the
Yeah, we couldn't wait for them no longer. So I take 15 minutes so the next 15 time better. What, roll off your bed? What you imagine for bed? Come to you. Come to you. You jump off your bed. You're pregnant, like you can roll off your bed and you sleep, you know. Come, take that time. What do you have feet in your belly? That normal for your feet in your belly? I just a pregnancy. You want some water? Come here.
Baby mother.
My baby mother? What do you? She come here? She come in here, so? Your dreams here? With your hotel, all hell, my baby mother. In come in here, so? Where in there? You come here, go tell your doctor. Because this is a time of life imprisonment, him again. Come. Come.
Call the ambulance.
No. We can't walk. Take your time. Oh, sit down. Sit down. Wait. Ambulance no matter. Hello. My baby mother just pregnant and he say have an accident in drop off her bed and lick in belly. So I need the ambulance to come right now. We can't do nothing. Yes, so I need it to come right now out of the hotel property on the beach road. Yeah, the first hotel, man. The first hotel on the beach road. Yeah. Right now. Come. Oh shit. Health place right now. Hospital right across the road. Could we go hospital? I want to hear faster than ambulance.
Just another baby mother drama. Just another baby mother drama. And just another baby mother. Just another baby mother drama. And if you don't put a line there, your baby mother's gonna do what you wanna. Just another baby mother drama. Just another baby mother drama. Just another baby mother drama. And if you don't put a line right there, baby mother's gonna do what them wanna. Worse when them they are yard and them new man now give them right banana.
I'm serious.
I'm serious like a judge on Monday morning.
My first child. I know she could have made me lose my kidney.
Yes, but let's not worry on what could have been. Maybe they are in hell the same way. So, that's good. You go get it back.
And this will come back to you.
No, you come back, feel better. You will get better. So you will get better. But oh, she knows I say that. Do you tell nobody say I come out tell?
Yes.
Are you telling them where you stay to?
I tell my friend.
Oh.
Our cousin.
See, you love problem, you love drama. I tell you, say I carry a hotel for you get away. I have to tell you, say I got hotel. You're too show off. But I have to blame her still because she shouldn't come up here, come harass you. I don't know how she passes security, but that I want someone to take up with the hotel. Why? Then she gets to pass off because she have family over here, I remember.
Okay, I stand up too.
She have family work over here, I remember.
You can't come a place where your big mother have family, yeah?
Yes, no, and she want the family work, yeah.
So who not to tell say the family tell her then? And I'm not my friend.
Oh. No, but your friend is our family anyway.
You can't tell me that, come baby. Babes,
Yeah.
you know, so I still feel a little bit of pain.
Oh, that is that normal, man.
But it's big and serious though. Your baby mother for rat me in a jail. I hope you don't go back to bail her this time, you know.
No, man, you know, that man.
No, that you did tell me last time.
Made about on discussion for bail her now.
You see you? Sorry.
No, I'm talking though.
Make sure that she needs to pay for what she do.
I just say she's pregnant and like she tell you know?
So what she jealous over me for? She did have her chance, you know.
And she get a picture of that already, but she has
And you have to put on your foot still.
I put up my foot.
Alright.
I'll step on the dog.
We will see, kind of, but if you said you're pregnant, I'm afraid to leave you.
I'll let go on with it. I'll be up there. But
Yeah.
smell good.
No, babes, I know so I still feel like a pain though.
The doctor said that normal. Because I don't really that I can't feel the pain. I just the fact say you have got through the first trimester. Only one thing I like say, I like how you're tough. Because you're not too vomit, you're not too this, but you feel good, you just feel like this. But things say what go on, the girl nothing, you not really show nothing. So that good.
Boy, your baby mother wicked, you know.
Yo, that girl is wicked, man. It's like when they behind bars and now me not too care about it, is it?
Try and make sure you don't go back to bail her.
Nah man, oh me? I nearly kill not even you. I like a pit in your belly. Cause you can't kill her no, but the baby in your belly, the next dad. Nah man.
I hope she rat me in a jail.
That go happen. How long for now for the pot they don't cook?
For the next 10 to 20 minutes.
Alright. I better go on with it off for say a while though. Why they say differently though? Because I know say no call for that alone, you know. Why you have to pay mine?
Yeah, we soon know.
I forgot on the road, you know, but me make you know. You hear?
You
Not
go on
tonight
the
though,
road,
no,
let's
no,
make it.
not tonight, man. Remember say we soon left from the hotel and I think we live here. You might think we live here. We not, yo, me know of some people, you know. Back in the days, they used to do some rent some dear place, you know. You know what I mean? And when they rent the dear place, them, then it last more than a month today. And from them fall off of that high path, they all know they're gonna climb up back. So when I think we are doing a celebration because of the baby's sake and because I was going we extending one more day. And so we just not to overdo it. We go back home to our normal life. And then we go fix up a thing, guys. I saw one of our room like this at one time them. Yeah, something like Automotive magazine. So
That's true, man.
as soon as you put the Japa ground, you go look up. As in Japa ground, so and come out and you put him on your titty, so and he goes on you know say you're gone
That
look
go
up.
too quick, man.
Mama, this is me like you or you're tough. So I know how to put the job so you're ready. If you go look work. Because we now go turn paparazing. While me no man, for real man.
Alright though, I'm there.
We have to have a house like a this year. We don't have to go to a hotel. You understand?
Yes, babes, we understand.
Alright. The way you do, wake me up if me fall asleep, all you do, you come wake me
Alright.
Ready when you're ready, man, because the man said me can't do it now, you know. Yeah, man, force it. Yeah, go on with it. You good? Oh, yeah, look so. Yeah. So, yeah, rush so. Yeah, rush so. One here.
No, man, me good. Me good, man, me good.
Officer, we are from Rasta boy. A lot of time for that, I look for a girl. You see me? I show you one picture. But you look for a girl, me not have time for that. Listen, man, you want to go please my youth. For what? Listen, that this is the officer. Yeah, this is the officer of the law. Tell me where. But I look for the girl. Okay, how she do? Me ask her if you see the girl there. I always see her and what she do? No, this officer business and your business. Where she do? It's not my business, but I want to help you find her. And that's, listen man, when we can't find the girl. Officer, hear me say now. Do proper policing, yeah? You don't want to tell me what she do. And I'm going to tell me. Hear me now, be real, yeah? She beat up one girl when you Tia, one stout, thick girl. My cousin Tia? I don't know if your cousin, but I know she beat up a girl named Tia and she lose the girl. I look for her because she up on the run because when I'm a officer, she very only nice surrounding. Just go find her. Alright, that's a fact. Yeah man, just officer. Don't do me stop. Hey girl!
Under arrest for?
Hey, don't resist.
Cause? Yes.
Watch her now. She got people place to beat up people over man. But why one girl love man, sir? Okay.
Again, cause again. Alright, B, I'm a cousin.
Watch her now.
Listen to me now.
She go constantly do it again.
No, I can't talk to her, my cousin. I can't talk to her.
Get away now.
Just release her, me talk to her.
Keep her on the leash, yeah?
Yeah, me talk to her.
Maybe I have to come back. I don't know, I might not lock you up, you know, but trust me, somebody will come to you, yeah?
Remember your business. Dirty foot police, boy.
What's wrong with you?
Dirty foot police, boy. I want to think some kind of piece of a broke my phone.
What's wrong with you? What really wrong with you? We you gonna fight your woman again? For me no want you.
You listen to me?
Me no want you. Me know you. Suppose I never me and him there. You're gonna sell again.
Thank God that there's a policeman.
Then come to think about it, not even know say na police.
Hello.
Then if you stop still calls.
But by the way, you're the read man, I don't know what kind of work you do.
Listen.
I like to think say. Boy, I like to think say that the man they come for me and they never a big truck girl.
Cause you know you're gone down there.
Lucky.
You need to stop.
If I did the big truck girl, you would catch me.
You need to stop. What you fight the woman again for? You know, so me should have said nothing to you, do.
You chat too much.
At that, me chat too
Give me
much.
your
Me
mouth.
tell her things too much. You need to calm down, man.
Oh, come on. You should be strong. You look like never
Go
gonna fly
on.
out of this country. If that people like
You-
us all there.
But yes, you, me come and tell you that because you're out to go.
Yeah, man. Alright, welcome to the end of that. You know what I mean? So, today we don't have a lot to say because I'm kind of tired. You know what I mean? So, hope you enjoy it still. You know what I mean? A lot of things in the making. Plenty things can't really talk about it today. Because I have a next show I work on right now. You know, because after the storm, must be a calm. You know what I mean? So, we work on something. So we go talk about it. Like me say, I not nobody number again. So, I'm not reach out to me. You know what I mean? Yeah. So, you know, say, 825 1926. Plus the Jamaica era code. You can't lose. Alright? You can write it down. Because I don't think go up on the screen. Because I'm up on a late posting to this and I'm going to put in the movie right now. So I can put a whole chop on it and send it. So I now have the time. So I say, remember the number 1876. That's the area code. And then you have 825 1926. WhatsApp I and I. Let's go. All of my fans them out there in the world, big up on yourself, you know what I mean? Well, just from time to time we look for new actresses. We have 1 and 2 youth to work with, but we not to take on plenty male. Because we have only for male down here, but the female them most of the time them more skeptic, you know. My daughter there, same way I go and put in some work, same way, you know what I mean? So, you want some tea people them? Are you good? Come say good morning or good evening. Come fast.
Mommy.
See people them looking at the camera. No, if looking at the camera. Try the camera down. We're up on the roadside, that's why nice so loud. You have to talk loud. Because we're up on the roadside. Look on the camera. Tell the camera closer to you. Yeah.
Morning.
Alright, big up on yourself out there in the world. You can't be too shy now. Touch it. You are more shy, man. Listen up. You're not too shy. Alright? Money down. Let's go.